Yo guys, what's up? How y'all doing? I hope you all are having a fabulous day today. In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can get a custom character on Windows 11 and, depending on how it works, on older or newer versions as well. So, let's get into this. So, the main thing you'll need to do first is download a cursor. Duh. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and come over here and we're going to go ahead and type in either custom... Oh, nope, that was wrong. Custom, okay, just type custom cursors, in which you'll be able to come here and you'll see real world graphics. Don't worry. It is safe. This is where I got the new cursor I have here, as you can see, and it's also where I have other cursors. So you can see here there are a bunch of different cursor options to choose from. You have different colored normal Windows cursors, and yeah, so it's pretty cool. So I've searched for some Minecraft cursors, and you can see we have gotten them. So let's look at this cursor pack. So it has a bunch of so it has 5 different cursor options for you to choose from in here. But say I want a pack for everything. Who created this? Okay, you know what? I don't understand, but okay. Alright, Diamond Minecraft cursors, and yeah, you can see them. So instead of downloading each of them individually, just hit download, and it'll download over here. Go into your files. When you're in your files, here's what you'll have to do. Go to your downloads. Yes, go to your downloads. Minecraft Diamond.zip, you have it there. Make sure you have it, and go into your settings. Go to mouse. Additional mouse settings. You can drag this onto the center of your screen and press on pointers here. You'll have your pointer option. Next to downloads, and oh, not there. Hit browse right there. And real quick, we're just gonna need to click extract all and hit extract. Now you can delete the original folder, and you'll be able to drag the new folder on it. And you're free of your files. I don't know why it's in here, but whatever. So yeah, once it's in there, you'll need to, for your main one, select browse, and you'll need to go ahead and go to arrow, which in this case is the main one we have. So go to arrow and hit open, and then you can see when you hit apply, you have a custom cursor on your desktop. I have a little diamond sword on my desktop now, so it's pretty cool that you're able to do this. You're able to get your own little custom cursors here. Personally, I do like the cursors I had before better, so I'm going to go ahead and switch back to that, but you do understand exactly how it works now and how you are able to get a custom cursor. So yeah, Alright, bye.